Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11, now concurrent with US 80 East in Lauderdale County, Mississippi. This video will take us to the Alabama state line, covering Mississippi Mile 160 through 173. We passed through the unincorporated community of Russell, which had a post office in operation from 1867 to 1976. As we pass under this railroad bridge, crossing to the north side of the tracks, we enter the unincorporated community of Tomsuba. The community is named for the Tomsuba Creek and had a population of 778 as of the 2020 census. The road to the left leads to Lake Tom Bailey, a 182-acre public lake managed by the Mississippi Department of Wildlife, Fisheries, and Parks. we enter the unincorporated community of Kewanee, the home of the historic Simmons and Wright Company. The grocery store was built in 1884 by William Simmons and Tom Wright. The business thrived until the 1960s, relying heavily on the railroad and cotton industry. The store provided supplies to local farmers and originally included a blacksmith shop, a grist mill, a cotton gin, and a sawmill, and carried everyday items such as groceries and clothing. Today, the store still operates and sells antiques, hardware, seed and feed for animals, and small farming equipment. The store also continues to sell groceries such as those that might be found in a convenience store, as well as the store's famed hoop cheese. We conclude today's video as we enter the state of Alabama. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.